You can turn any session into a recurring session, a decision session for a meeting, a survey, team retrospectives, or one-on-ones. To turn any session into a recurring session, you will prepare it based on how you want it to look. Then you can add a start and due date and assign key team members and other stakeholders. Once ready, you can easily click here. Do you see this button? Right there. It will let you select how often the session should repeat. Once a month or twice. What about twice a year? It will then prepare the sessions for you. Once a session is marked completed or overdue, it will prepare the next one and you can navigate between them. All sessions are visible on your calendar, just like this. Or you can take the calendar link and add it to your favorite calendar so you can have everything in one place.